Hi students. Next week, not next week, by 28th onwards, right? By 28th onwards, we are going to start our pre-midterm, right? Quarterly exam we are going to start. So next week fully, next class onwards, tomorrow class onwards, we are going to see the revisions, right? So today class is nothing but we are going to see only the formulas alone, right? Already we saw that formulas alone in concept 2, right? Concept 2 formulas, and if we have started, then we will stop it. We have to stop in between, right? That's why I have started the concept 3 formulas, right? Now today just thorough this formulas alone, right? And today class is nothing but only we are going to see the formulas alone, right? So before seeing that, right, see you have to write the trigonometry ratios of specific angles derivation, right? You have to write this derivation in your classwork note, right? Concept 2 formula, right? Not formula, the values, sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, right? These values already we have written in the form of table, right? Tabular form. And derivation also, there is a shortcut method, right? And derivation also, how the sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 60 is equal to, what is it, cos 1 by 2. Likewise the derivation, yesterday we saw the derivation, right? You have to write this derivation in your classwork note, right? Only for 30 degree, 60 degree and 45 degree, right? And today we are going to see only the formula. Just write the formula, write this all the formulas in your classwork note, right? This all the formulas in your classwork note, right? And while we are studying that concept 3, once again we will recall and then we can get into the sums, right? The third concept is something about trigonometric identities, right? Trigonometric identities, I already told you that, right? Identity, algebraic identity, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, right? And a square minus b square, and these identities, square identities, right? Here also we are going to see the square identities, right? And while we are solving the trigonometric identity, right, we will use cube also, right? Cube and power 4 also we will use it, right? No problem. So while we are solving, we will see that the derivation, what are things we are needed, we will see that, right? So here among this totally how many identities we are having means, totally we are having 9 identities, right? Totally we are having nine formulas we are having, right? But only the 3 alone the major, right? 3 alone major. If you know these three major, right? If you know these 3 formulas alone, the remaining, the 2 right? The remaining 6 will be from the 3 alone, right? The remaining 6 formula will be, okay, came from the these 3 formulas alone, right? If you are throwing these 3 formulas, right, what is the 3 formulas? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is very important, right? And next important formula is something but 6 square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. 6 square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. The last one is nothing but cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. If you know these 3, right, from these 3 only the remaining 6 formulas has been derived, right? So simple, right? It is nothing but equation format. This formula is nothing but equation format, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to, suppose I am needed the value of sin square theta, right? If I needed I want to find the value of sin square theta, then just bring the cos square theta to the RHS. Then plus cos square theta will become minus cos square theta. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, right? 1 minus cos square theta. Then cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, right? Cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta, right? So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. See that if you know this only this one formula, right? From this one formula we can find sin square theta or cos square theta. What is 1? 1 is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? See, you have to thorough this formula because while we are solving, right? So instead of sin square theta, we have to convert in terms of 1 minus cos square theta. Suppose 1 minus sin square theta is there, instead of 1 minus sin square theta, what we want to substitute? Cos square theta. So if you have this formula, if you are thorough, right? While we are simplifying, right? While we are simplifying, which will be applicable, we will apply and we will simplify, right? That is very important. So please thorough this formula, you have to keep this all the formulas in fingertip. That's very important, right? So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta, right? Suppose I asking, instead of 1 we are having, see that we are having 3 formulas, right? Instead of 1 we can apply sin square theta plus cos square theta. Suppose instead of 1 we can apply sec square theta minus tan square theta, and instead of 1 we can apply cosec square theta minus cot square theta. For 1 we are having 3 formulas, right? So what we are needed, we have, whether we want to, we have to convert 1 in terms of sin and cos, so we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta instead of 1, right? Suppose I need instead of 1 I need sec and tan, right? Sec and tan I am needed means, so 1 is equal to, shall I substitute sec square theta minus tan square theta, right? Suppose I need in terms of cosec and cot means, right, instead of 1 I will substitute cosec square theta minus cot square theta, right? Right, the same thing, right? 6 square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, right? Suppose I needed 6 square theta, right? Bring minus tan square theta to the RHS, then it will become, what is it? 6 square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. 6 square minus tan square theta taken to the RHS, it will become plus. So 1 plus tan square theta, right? Suppose I needed tan square theta, right? Tan square theta, and just taking tan square theta to the RHS will become plus, and taking 1 to the LHS it will become minus 1. So tan square theta is equal to 6 square theta minus 1, right? Plus 1 will become minus 1. So tan square theta is equal to 6 square theta minus 1, right? And next one is something but cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cot square theta is nothing but cosec square theta minus 1. Right, taking minus cot square to the RHS it will become plus, right? And suppose I needed cot square theta alone, right? Just keep the cot square theta in the RHS, bring 1 to the LHS, plus 1 will become minus 1. So cosec square theta minus 1. So cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1, right? Today's homework is nothing but just copy down in your class of note, right? And today's homework is nothing but, right, this all the 9 formula 5 times, right? Today's homework, and by tomorrow onwards we will start a revision, right? We will start a revision, and you know that. Okay, tomorrow we will see that tomorrow class we will see the question pattern, right? How the question pattern will be, and 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks, how it will be. Likewise we will see on tomorrow class, right? And today this is enough, and see that while you are preparing for your test, right, you can first you can complete the classwork, right? First you can complete the classwork, right? Completely you just complete. If you are taking the first chapter, firstly you can complete the completely you can complete the sums in classwork, right? Next you can complete the all the sums in NCERT book, right? And third you just complete. Third you can simplify, the third you can practice on any guide, right? Any guide, right? Likewise only you have to prepare, right? Okay, tomorrow onwards we will see the revision, right? And moreover, if you are having any doubts, right, don't message me directly, you can call me, no problem, right? Whenever you are having doubt, right, whenever you are having doubt, after 8 a.m. and before 8 p.m, right? Before 8 p.m. and after 8 a.m, right? Whenever you are having doubt, you can call me on any time, right? Between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m, right? Thank you.